Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 10. Percentage and its applications.
Percentage and its applications. What is a percentage? A percentage is a way to show a part of a whole as a fraction of 100. The symbol for percentage is %. It means out of 100. Origin of the word. Cent means 100. So percent means per 100. Formula for percentage. Percentage is equal to part by whole multiplied by 100%. Example. 5% means 5 out of 100 is equal to 5 by 100. 35% means 35 out of 100 is equal to 35 by 100. 85% means 35 out of 100 is equal to 85 by 100. Applications of percentage. Discounts. Example. 25% off for $40 item. 25% of $40 is equal to $10 discount. New price is equal to $40 minus $10 is equal to $30. Taxes. Example. 8% sales tax on a $150 item. 8% of $150 is equal to $12 tax. Total cost is equal to $150 plus $12 is equal to $162. Interest. Example. 5% annual interest on $1,000. 5% of $1,000 is equal to $50 earned in a year. Grades. Example. Scoring 75 marks out of 100. Percentage is equal to 75%. Statistics. Example. 120 out of 200 people prefer coffee. Percentage is equal to 120 divided by 200 multiplied by 100 is equal to 60%. Profit loss. Example. Buying for $100, selling for $120. Profit is equal to $20. Percentage profit is equal to 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Percentage change. Example. Sales increasing from $50,000 to $60,000. Increase is equal to $10,000. Percentage increase is equal to 10,000 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Steps to convert a percentage to a fraction. Remove the percent sign. Divide by 100. Simplify the fraction to its lowest terms. Example. 20% is equal to 20 by 100 is equal to 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. 30% is equal to 30 by 100 is equal to 3 by 10. 40% is equal to 40 by 100 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5. 125% is equal to 125 by 100 is equal to 5 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. How to convert a percentage into a ratio? Steps to convert a percentage to a ratio. Remove the percent sign. Write the number as the first term of the ratio. Write 100 as the second term of the ratio. Simplify the ratio to the lowest terms. Example. 26% is equal to 26 ratio 100 is equal to 13 ratio 50. 55% is equal to 55 ratio 100 is equal to 11 ratio 20. 120% is equal to 120 ratio 100 is equal to 6 ratio 5. How to convert a percentage into a decimal? Steps to convert a percentage to a decimal. Remove the percent sign. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Tip: if there is no visible decimal point, imagine it is at the end of the number. Example: 25% is equal to 25.0. 17.6% is equal to 0.176. How to convert a fraction into a percentage? Steps to convert a fraction to a percentage. Multiply the fraction by 100. Write the percent sign after the answer. Example: 8 by 35 is equal to 8 by 35 multiplied by 100%. 8 multiplied by 100 by 35% is equal to 160 by 7%. 22 6/7%. 2. 1 by 35 is equal to 17 by 8 is equal to 17 by 8 multiplied by 100%. 17 multiplied by 100 by 8% is equal to 425 by 2%. 212 1 by 2%. How to convert a decimal into a percentage? Steps to convert a decimal to a percentage. You can use either method. Method 1. Multiply by 100. Multiply the decimal by 100. Write the percent sign after the answer. Method 2. Move the decimal point. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Write the percent sign after the number. Example: 0.35 is equal to 0.35 multiplied by 100% is equal to 35%. 0.061 is equal to 0.061 multiplied by 100% is equal to 6.1%. 1.41 is equal to 1.41 multiplied by 100% is equal to 141%. How to convert a ratio into a percentage? Steps to convert a ratio to a percentage. Write the ratio as a fraction. Multiply the fraction by 100. Write the percent sign after the answer. Example: 5/8 is equal to 5 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8 multiplied by 100%. 5 multiplied by 25 by 2%. 125 by 2%. 62 1 by 2%. How to find the percentage of a quantity? What does it mean? When you are asked to find a percentage of something, you are calculating how much that percentage is of the total amount. Example problem. Priyanka scored 65% marks in her annual examination. If the maximum marks were 800, how many marks did Priyanka score? Steps to solve. Write the percentage as a fraction. 65% is equal to 65 by 100. Multiply by total quantity. Marks scored is equal to 65 by 100 multiplied by 800. Calculate the answer. 65 multiplied by 800 divided by 100. 52,000 divided by 100. Final answer is 520. One quantity as a percent of another. Example: 25% of 160, 15.5% of 1200, 70% of 800 rupees. 25% of 160 is equal to 25 by 100 multiplied by 160 is equal to 40. 15.5 of 1200 is equal to 25 by 100 multiplied by 160 is equal to 186. 70% of 800 rupees is equal to 70 by 100 multiplied by 800 is equal to 560 rupees. Profit and loss. Important terms. Cost price, CP. The price at which an article is bought. Selling price, SP. The price at which the article is sold. Formulas. Profit or gain. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost. Or profit is equal to SP minus CP. Selling price. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Cost price. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Example: a man buys an article for 80 rupees and sells it for 90 rupees. Step 1. Cost price, CP, is equal to 80 rupees. The price it was bought. Step 2. Selling price, SP, is equal to 90 rupees. The price it was sold. Find the profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP is equal to 90 rupee minus 80 rupees is equal to 10 rupees. Final answer is 10 rupees. Profit and loss percent. What does it mean? Profit or loss can be expressed as a percentage of the cost price, CP. Important terms. Gain percent, profit percent, the profit expressed as a percent of the CP. Loss percent, the loss expressed as a percent of the CP. Formula. Gain percent is equal to gain by CP multiplied by 100%. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP multiplied by 100%. Example: Rakesh bought a second-hand car for 57,100 rupees. He sold this car for 70,000 rupees. Find net profit. Profit percent. Solution. Step 1. Find net profit. Net profit is equal to SP minus CP. 70,000 rupee minus 57,100 rupees is equal to 12,900 rupees. Step 2. Find profit percent. Is equal to 12,900 divided by 57,100 multiplied by 100. 22.6%. Final answer. Net profit is equal to 12,900 rupees. Profit percent is equal to 22.6%. Simple interest. Sometimes, when we need money, we borrow it from a bank or a money lender. When we return this money after some time, we have to pay extra money along with it. This extra money is called interest, I, or simple interest, SI. Important terms: principal, P, the original money we borrow or lend, also called the sum. Interest, I, the extra money paid for using the borrowed money. Amount, the total money returned after borrowing. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Rate, percent, are the interest rate per year given as a percent of 100 rupees. Time, T, the period, in years, for which money is borrowed or lent. Formula to calculate simple interest. Simple interest, SI, is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. P is equal to principal. R is equal to rate percent per annum. T is equal to time in years. Example: find the interest on 1,200 rupee lent for 4 years at a rate of 8% per annum, and also find the amount to be paid at the end of the period. Given: principal, P, is equal to 1,200 rupees. Time, T, is equal to 4 years. Rate, R, is equal to 8% per annum. Simple interest, SI, is equal to, amount is equal to, formula, SI is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T by 100. Calculation: SI is equal to 1200 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 100 is equal to 38,400 divided by 100 is equal to 384 rupees. By unitary method. Step 1. Interest on 100 rupees for 1 year is equal to 8 rupees. Step 2. Interest on 100 rupees for 4 years. 8 rupees multiplied by 4 is equal to 32 rupees. Step 3. Interest on 1 rupee for 4 years. 3 to 100 is equal to 32 paise. Step 4. Interest on 1,200 rupees for 4 years. 32 paise multiplied by 1200 is equal to 384 rupees. Amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Is equal to 1200 plus 384. Is equal to 1584. Final answer. Simple interest is equal to 384 rupees. Amount is equal to 1,584 rupees.